How to get Roblox voice chat back after being suspended. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in order to recover voice chat on Roblox after a suspension, you need to follow the simple steps. On the Roblox main page, change the roblox.com/home to roblox.com/support. Hit enter, and this will take you to the Contact Us or Contact Information page. Now in this page, enter your username and the first name, which is optional. But the email address is important. Enter your real email address, which is associated with your Roblox account in your account settings. And in what device you are having the problem on, select the device type you use to play Roblox, such as PC, Chromebook, iPhone, iPad, Android, etc. Now in the type of issue and category section, select moderations. And in the help subcategory type, select I was wrongly moderated for my behavior or the behavior of an alternate account. And in the description box, you need to describe your issue. Explain the situation. For example, you can write something like, I've concluded that I did not violate any voice chat rules and guidelines, and I would like to kindly ask for my voice chat permission to be allowed back. And after filling out this form, click on submit or click on continue, which is highlighted in black color. Then check the inbox of the email you provided for a response from the official Roblox team. They may request more information. Follow the instructions provided to restore your voice chat. So that's all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.